Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative world, the relationship rewrite method. If you've ever wanted to become irresistible in your relationships and take your love life to the next level, then you're in the right place. This incredible method, developed by renowned relationship expert James Bauer, has helped countless individuals rewrite their relationship stories and find lasting love. Today, I'll be sharing with you a powerful script that will help you become irresistible to your partner or potential love. Before we get into the script, let's understand the key principles behind the relationship rewrite method. This method focuses on enhancing communication, building trust, and fostering emotional connection. By implementing these techniques, you'll be able to create a strong foundation for a truly irresistible relationship. This book link in comment box, go there and read it. This book, it's very useful for you. Thanks watching the video.